Remarkable Lahore restaurants serving local cuisine. The capital of the Mughal Empire was formerly Lahore, a bustling, stunning city. It is now colloquially referred to as Pakistan's culinary and cultural capital, or, more generally, as a culinary fortress. You haven't been born yet if you haven't seen Lahore, as they say, Ji ne Lahore nai vakaya o jamaya nai. With that in mind, let's look at some of the most famous Indian dishes from Lahore that have helped to shape the city into what it is today. Pay. A dish of pay to die for, served with warm Ragni naans and cool methi lassi, satisfying every desi breakfast craving. Beef koya tikka. These mouth-watering morsels of shafi tikka are expertly grilled. You could happily eat these without the naan and head home. Harissa. You will be blown away by this mouth-watering, Kashmiri dish of lamb cooked with wheat flour and a ton of ghee in Amritsari. Nihari. Nihari is a Shahi breakfast, and Wari's Nihari at Anarkali Bazaar is the best place to have this stewed beef with lots of masala and ghee. Karahi from But Karahi. The greatest karahi in Lahore is But Karahi from Lakshmi Chowk. It's naam hi kafi hai. Chane. Honestly, Jila Chane Wala in Shadbag is the best spot to get chane, whether it's simple, murg, chicken, or mutton. Other chane walas are outclassed by the tastes and texture of the masala and chane. Biryani. Though relatively new, this biryani is really delicious. Together with 2 shami kebabs, raita, salad, chutney, and zarda, sweet rice, or furni, it is served as a package.